Hey guys, 54 Nisha here, and we're back with our inventory. Not exactly our inventory system, but a system to where we can buy stuff inside the game. So last time it was, we're going to collect this item that allows us to have 100 credits or whatever. We're going to collect a little gold icon, and here's where stuff where we can buy. As you can see, we still move. So we need to put a pause function until we hit like a button, and then what we want to buy. So what are we going to buy? Well, we're going to actually buy a invisibility item. So I'm going to insert a new object, click sprite, and then I'm going to place it. I'm going to go to load an image, and then I have an icon that I got off the internet, and it's this little eye icon. I'm going to scale it. And what I want to do is I actually want to place this in front. So I'll move to Z order, move to top. It's in top. Okay, that would be in, what layer is this in? UI, that's in layer 0. So I want to send this actually to the, move to layer UI, and now it's on top. Well, what I want to do is actually I want to paint it all white. There we go. So we can see it, and then I want to size it down. Let's see. There we go. And what I'm gonna actually have it do is I'm going to pin this eye behaviors. There we go. So the eye is going to be pinned to the board. So let's see, object on board, add event, system, start, on start of layout, add action, sprite 7, pin to object, pin to what, sprite 6, position and angle. So when we play it, okay, we're going to collect the coin. We don't really need to hit I. There's the I icon, and now we need to set a price. So what we're also going to do is insert new object, hit text, place it. I'm going to set this to white so we can see it, and then set text to 10. Okay, we need to increase the size. So Bankston, I'm going to do 24. Set the top. Okay, so it's there we go. The font was just a bit big. This is in layer 0. We want to hit UI, and that's probably because I have the other layer selected, so we want UI layer selected. Then what we also want to do is add a behavior, add, do pin, add, on start of layout, text to, pin to sprite 6. Done. Start. Click the money, the icon. Oh, there's 10. Okay. So what do we do now? So I'm going to actually add a new action. And actually I'm going to name it. I'm going to say buy. Okay, so when we actually click cursor over object, on click object, the sprite icon done. We're gonna have an inventory, so hold on one second. Well, at once when that happens, we're actually gonna lose some stuff. So I'm going to, what I mean by stuff is that we're actually gonna lose some money. So some credits. So it's like that there. So we're going to go back and we actually need to subtract from money 10. Set that to 90. There's another way how to do this. I'm going to iterate that in the next video. So we click that, we hit that, we click it, we're back down to 90. And then what we're going to do is, now that we have it, we're actually going to add comments, use bot item. So for that, we're actually going to, I'm just going to click the I button. So, but what we need to do is actually add basically an inventory, a very rudimentary inventory system. Actually, we don't need another comment. What we need is a variable. So the variable is going to be invisible, and to be set to 0. So when invisible set value, actually it's going to be, yeah, invisible add 1, use bot item. So when the keyboard, when you press on key pressed I, it's going to make our character invisible, but we need to add another, another check to make sure that we actually have, we need to make sure that we actually have the 1 in the invisible. So we have 1 invisible cloak. So it's going to set system. So I need to set it to check. Compare variable is equal to 1, or actually I like saying greater than 0. Then we want sprite 3 to set the opacity to 50. Now I'm going to put a time delay on this. So time delay invisible. So let's see. It's going to go. There's a couple ways we could do this. Add event system. see. No, we're not gonna do that. Hold on. I want a timer, so. I've never used compare time before. It would be kind of interesting. I'm gonna say 6 seconds. Oh shit, time equals 6 seconds. Shit, hold on. Add event. Let's just see if this works in the first place. Boom, we collected it. Hit I. There. We hit I there. Okay, now we're invisible. Or partially invisible. And then make it to where when we click this item, it's actually going to make this sprite go back over here. So I'm just going to create a new object for it to flash back to right here. Make it white. And so what that will do is it will move it to another position. Set position to sprite 8. Done. So let's put that real quick. Boom. So okay, so we've got it. Hit invisible. We're invisible. Again, I'm actually in this last part, I'm going to go over everything and fix some stuff. Because this isn't really a proper way how to do it. This is kind of like a run around with the inventory. So I want to set a time delay on invisible. So set invisible. Okay, and then we can do it actually up here. Wait. I'm gonna say 4 seconds. So we don't need that. And then set opacity back to normal. Done. Hit inventory. We're gonna select that. I'm gonna hit I. And then blah blah blah. We're invisible, and suddenly we're not invisible. So that's a basic basic inventory system. Inventory. You could actually use that also for an inventory system, but that's a basic way on how to basically buy something. In the final, well, episode 3 of this, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna fix some stuff that will make it a little bit better, and then what we're actually going to do is I'm going to add like, okay, here's invisibility, and then I'm going to add like God mode to where you can't die, and then the ability to change your skin. So hey, you suddenly have red armor instead of green armor, or something like that. So also I'm going to expand this level a bit more so we can pick up some extra stuff, and I'll maybe go into an inventory system. I actually kind of wanted to do that. So that way we can say instead of clicking I for invisibility, we actually click I for inventory. It'll pop up a different box with the stuff that we bought and the amount of stuff that we have. So say you have 6 invisibility cloaks. You click 6, or you click I for inventory. You click the invisibility. You're suddenly invisible. And it lasts for say 10 seconds, and you can go around an area when you have no ammo. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hit the like and subscribe button only if you want to, or if you want to see more stuff. This isn't a proper way on how to do it. Again, you don't just say, hey, add this, add that. I mean, the way I did it is a little bit different, and I'm actually gonna go back and fix some stuff. I've been messing around with a couple other engines, so I need to kind of just reconnect my brain with ConstructTube and to refamiliarize myself. But this is about how to do it. Again, I'm going to go in, fix some stuff, and then we're going to carry on with a inventory system and this like maybe some enemies and having them drop stuff and a pause menu. So again, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye, guys.